Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Little English channel. Hope everyone is fine. So friends, in this video today we are going to learn the dialogue reading with translation. Okay, so we will learn how to read the dialogues. Okay, Arabic reading for beginners. This is usually for beginners. Okay, let's go. So as we highlight the things, you can understand that. Basim, Assalamu alaikum. Basim, Assalamu alaikum. Habib, wa alaikum assalam. Habib, wa alaikum assalam. باسم أنا باسم وهذا بسام باسم I am Basim and this is Bassam Habib مرحبا Habib hello Basim مرحبا بك Basim hello. Both are welcoming each other actually, so they are telling like that. Then next thing, Habib min aina antuma. Habib, where are you both from? So if you want to ask both, you have to use antuma. Basim is answering. Basim, نحن من سوريا. ومن أين أنت? Basim, we are from Syria. And where are you from? Anta is used for boys. If you want to ask Anta, is used for boys. And Anti is for girls. Next he is answering. Habib, أنا من London. Habib, I am from London. Basim, فرصة سعيدة. Basim, pleased to meet you. And reply what he is telling. Habib, فرصة سعيدة. Habib, pleased to meet you too. So this is the way how you have to reply if someone is telling to you فرصة سعيدة. فرصة سعيدة you have to say. Then Basim is telling مع السلامة. مع السلامة. Basim, goodbye. Habib, إلى اللقاء. Habib, see you later. Okay, so friends, hope you understand this. This is the dialogue reading from the one of the books I have taken. So next page I will go through. In that also I will highlight it. Hope you will understand it. Okay. In this page, as we are in the page number 4, next page we are there. There are 4 dialogue box which we will try to read the paragraph. Please follow with me. First one is طاهر من ذلك الولد على الدراجة. طاهر, who's that boy on the bike? سعيد, وصديقي نبيل. سعيد, he is my friend نبيل. طاهر, من أين هو? طاهر, where is he from? Okay, the next dialogue is سعيد هو من لبنان. سعيد, he is from Lebanon. So this was the first box, okay, which I have highlighted one. Let's go to box number 2. طاهر من أولئك الأولاد. من أولئك الأولاد. طاهر, who are those boys? سعيد هم أصدقائي في المدرسة. سعيد, they are my friends at the school. طاهر هل هم سوريون؟ طاهر, are they Syrian? سعيد لا هم عراقيون. سعيد, no, they are Iraqi. طاهر هل هم من بغداد؟ طاهر, are they from Baghdad? So this is the box number 2 continuation. سعيد لا هم من البصرة. سعيد, no, they are from Basra. So these were the boys section for masculine. Let's go for feminine section, number 3 and 4 boxes. Rabab is the name of the girl. Okay, so Rabab, man tilka al-bint. Rabab, who's that girl? Huda, hiya Hanan. She's Hanan. Huda says she's Hanan. Okay, you should not stress it. Hanan you should say. رباب هل هي أختك؟ Rabab, is she your sister? أختك for girls we should use. أختك we should use for boys. هدى نعم هي أختي الكبيرة. هدى yes, she is my big sister or elder sister. Okay, so this was the box number 2 for you. Okay, so this box number 4 I am going to highlight now is this is also about the plural, how to use the plural feminine. رباب من أولئك البنات. Okay, man ulaika al-banatu, Rabab, who are those girls? So ulaika is common for boys and girls. Okay, see this right side, ulaika you have used for boys, and here ulaika is used for feminine also. So Rabab, who are those girls? Okay, as I am highlighting, follow that please. Next one, Huda. هن صديقاتي في المدرسة. Huda, they are my friends at the school. So hunna is used for feminine. As you can see right side I have highlighted in green red green color. Hum is used for masculine for boys. Two times it is used. See. Rabab. هل هن مصريات? Rabab, are they Egyptian? Huda. نعم هن مصريات. Huda. Yes, they are Egyptian. Rabab. هل هن من القاهرة؟ Rabab, are they from Cairo? هدى لا هن من الإسكندرية. No, they are from Alexandria. Alexandra or Alexandria, it's a city in Egypt. So friends, hope you understood. This was the attempt for the beginners reading paragraph with translation. Okay, hope the people understand. 4 5 boxes we have tried. In these boxes, which is in the yellow color highlighted ones, it is mentioned how to greet someone, how to welcome someone, how to say goodbye, how to say pleased to meet you and all. Okay, so this was the one attempt for the beginners. Hope you want to learn Arabic language in this way. Okay, thank you and have a nice